According to information coming from the Russian media, Russian troops seized a complete set of the Black Hornet UAV from Ukrainian forces. The UK and Norway provided Ukraine with 850 of these military micro-drones as part of an aid package. The drone can fit in the palm of a hand and measures about 6.6 inches from tip to tail with a 4.8-inch rotor span, and weighing 32 grams. Black Hornet drones are built in Norway by Teledyne FLIR company based in US. Most NATO countries, including the United States, United Kingdom, France, and Germany, use the Black Hornet drones. The US and UK have used them during special operations missions in Afghanistan. The purpose of this drone is to covertly provide instant situational awareness to troops. The Black Hornet system is designed to be carried by soldiers. It is stored in a pouch containing 2 drones and a joystick-like controller. FLIR Systems also has a larger launcher for up to 8 Black Hornets that could be mounted on a vehicle. The flying time is up to 25 minutes. Recharging time is around 30 minutes. The system weighs 1.3 kilograms. Drone typically flies at a height of 10 to 30 meters with a maximum flight range of approximately 1.6 kilometers. The top speed is about 10 meters per second. The drone has 2 modes of operation. It can either be operated directly by a human operator or can be programmed to follow a predefined path according to GPS coordinates. Black Hornet has a line-of-sight link, as well as a GPS-enabled beyond line-of-sight navigation capability. It also has a feature that will send it back in the direction of the operator if it gets jammed or the encrypted control link otherwise ends up broken. FLIR Systems offers a vision-based navigation capability for GPS-denied environments and for operating indoors, where the control signal could easily get blocked. Vision-based navigation is an autonomous mode where the drone uses the feeds from its cameras, aided by a computer algorithm, to determine its relative position and avoid obstacles. The camera is designed to transmit relatively low-resolution 640 by 480 pixel video to a distance of up to 2 kilometers. Black Hornets are also able to take and transmit still photos of 1600 by 1200 pixels. The second camera is a thermal imaging camera with 160 by 120 pixels resolution. The drones do not have digital storage, to ensure that operational intelligence will not fall into enemy hands. This UAV can operate in temperatures ranging from -10 degrees Celsius, 14 Fahrenheit, to 43 degrees Celsius, 109.4 Fahrenheit. It is able to withstand gusts of wind only up to 28 kilometers per hour, but sustained strong winds would significantly reduce the usability of the drone. Given the limited range and optics of Black Hornets, the drones will be of little use in most situations in the war in Ukraine. But the Black Hornets may be an effective tool for special operation troops and in close-quarter urban fighting situations. Russian engineers will certainly take this drone apart, reverse engineer it and use what they learn for their own purposes.